machine for Ghana customer is ready for delivery. This line is for the banana tree fiber making. It can also we also provide the CCR fiber production line. We can get the fiber like from the CCR, and this is the electricity type. It allows two workers to work. This is the combine machine and the internal structure. This is the diesel type. This is automatic type. This is for the tree cutting, splitting, cutting machine. After the fiber extracting, you can get it like this. This is the one side. This is four sides.